boss no ama NDC for wiaye no eno wa se na make out the bem to me chira mo omo kwatra ballot boss from an apart to numra NDC for nya wiaye yenim say people for kroma ben ana ya bon kwa ya dwumu do yetimi akwatra bo MPP ballot boss no ban ena akodu si efa adwuma NDC ni akofra adwuma MPP ni akora ato uche NDC ni akoto adwuma na ma no ene wobatua ene ya ma party ba na chance in the party ba na NDC for ekonto kwai wo man ko for the office ene yese dupu aban ewi aban ya no mabone ane ye no mapa ne solitia wo mu ye no mabone a no mu di si aban ene ama ene se na nado na aban wo bui na mamu no ma akeka na waye enso unim Ghana for ka no tuma ama akufo do aban ye bre what le me kan your problem no atiase pa
a problem Sabato a problem because my memory mukaka Sabato was say maybe co-parliamentarians no adie si so ewo adie a course so parliament no
yeah me ba ma me chewade akwa bia ba se Portegua se Portabi na wo jimo social media so ono na ba wo twen kwa asem ha tan kwa se follow mu jimo no
say there
and this for do mo tu kwan and this for se mo tu kwan MPP for mo ba na Akufo do edu ba bia na do so waye Ghana for oye MPP man boni o oba ya asema MPP an for bia tu kwan and MP for mo so MP for mo di wo mo tu kwan ma sa charge na mo diska and this for se san ko for ko gbo chire me say mami eja me say mami eja and this for se sa Ghana for ko gbo chire and na ye free second ye freedom fighter and MPP for them dey free education mo dey 150 and na mo dey tire NDC for mo dey tire Ghana for now and na na do ba ya and na me dey me ba ma Ghana for nyina na do hwe Ghana for and na sa Portabi and nkwase for ya mo hwe mi and na Portago mo yaktisa Togo for say ma to about Ghana yanto NDC for Ghana for to aba mam Togo for to aba mam Togo for na me no bedi matema na me bieja tie me uti matemo ha na me bieja nanka ye di conversation be ubedi matemo ntimi bieja NDC for se Togo for abagu Ghana ni abeto aba na Ghana for no ye de eto na Togo for the NDC co parliament enti na Akufo do the problem onya no oba wa be change Ghana and he say a ID card and the Ghana ID to aba Togo need to Ghana want to me to aba and now buy a Akufo do o buy o kwa na dey be systematic and now buy o Akufo do who kray as Ghana for na yen trade yen ka edodo who kray as Ghana for your passport and your national ID card so it say Togo need to me to aba enti wo yetao wo yechiru and Akufo do ban wase da bi say Togo for NDC for do mabagu Ghana mesa mo mu free education and mo ko free education under Akufo do enti wo Akufo do no wo na abasa wo chese wo de dia wo ba wo nsema ma obia enti wo na ba bibia ma obia ene ye di watem ye di na na watem ena me ka che se MPP for mo hwa Togo ni a wa ba Ghana no mo hwa na identity no the old ba say party member bia MPP no a party member no ba hunu na mo for madwuma me say no na me ka 2024 free sam lekoi e say me ma say
madwuma yesisi adan that is the reason but NDC ni anymore but on ma meka because when him so can he saying the real or ma MPP are bank credits. Oh, and to this thing, so I wonder why they don't let people come and to Kenyans. I say, Mahama, come and tell me any policy that you brought. One policy, Ibrox, more than half was World Bank project. And Yabusian, a Sika, World Bank in the Tress, Canada, Mahama said, Munjim Fan Kukusi. The Akano, a Ghana budget project. The project Sikani United share Mahama and I buy. The leaders in some sort of concourse are dying. So, almost 70. Scanning in Anka in Ashishom bottom, about 200 and something schools also more NC. Mankese scanning your Domon Fanko Shasio, scan a parliament area ya, or approve a complete building, into the who scan in Mahama. Omoji yano 70 no musi out of 270. Nkanu bianu guguro mo so says can e wo hefa ha kita south sika o mediko mam so mo kuyesi defense says sika na e wo hefa enti se wo ye Ghana ni na wo su di sa yi wo fa ni say afuo mu fuo nkurasefo politicians we yachi emotional political party this time and this for ye emotional political party
na medima no usi no say afuo mu fuo na amugu social media so almost face the country. Nanado, okra no ako YouTube. Ako unso broni. Etimi atwa nanado railways awoye. E dey go YouTube am Ghana for. E hwa ma YouTube akotwa broni nika. Ghana no face the country no. Etimi atwa akoto. Anche Ghana.
You are not addressing it well. You are not addressing it well. Or see future Africa. Ghana, future Africa, Ghana, new railway lines. Dachi Africa no, ewo Ghana, new railway line.
Bruni no crown dachi, the Ghana no betimi.
You're talking about 761 kilometers of railway lines. Man, kese akra ewo friend temotu akra.
Now we have face the country. Won kan wasam da. On fan to page. On country Ghana ni a took a Hong Kong Ghana. Now so we have face the country every present day.
It's the mentality. I don't know. It's a akwaba kona says ababa dan NDC ni ofan say be moshe o say adwene na anya adwuma body ne bre. Enti we no sanet yes adwene na anya adwuma obekasa sa Sakusa obey this now so I know waka or so no he's going to campaign for NDC. Now he named that so your NDC need that renew the face the country leaders.
The tennis omunim say MPP ka 8 oma force the NDC ba omenya do omenya. That is all.
Yebetuamuka Mahama is ready even to dash her daughter. If you come to power, I swear to my God, you don't understand me. The man is ready to pay everything. The important is he come to power.
Yes, including the daughter.
Brother, I say the man is hungry for power. He's hungry because he was having that mentality of abiding the Ghana the Enya do siswa. Anya hwe no betwa 8 years ansana manfo ayeden atwatiawo so entino na onye aware he never dreamed say he can be in opposition with 4 years of governance enti krono ana woso mo wa money nyina nwie ba bia no person fa ne family no ntono wa fa family na nkwa nkoduru ye kan de bi dynasty no eye nipa binuma omokonka the properties of the country to make sure say their country will always remain the position that they are till they die, till their grandchildren will also benefit the same issue. And to say we are going to scanning to a high level at the end of the day, you always have money to campaign and to win elections. When we say the Indian offering then boxer didn't say Sado Hydro project organ and the money we say onto. That is the meaning. The meaning is to conquer much more so that you can make a kind of a